think you hit me so I can sue you. No, do it. I'm trying to go home, but you no. Oh, you just touched me. No. You touched me.
Stand away.
I'm trying to go home. I'm trying to go home.
Not gonna go home on this airline today.
Wait.
Dude.
Is he under arrest? No. Yes, sir. We'll take care of it, ma'am. Thank you.
Don't put your hand up. Y'all need to get your car.
Okay.
Tell you guys can fuck off.
Really?
Yeah.
Good morning.
What's up, dude?
I understand that. Does he get it to you? No. He doesn't get it. He doesn't need anything. No. You don't need anything. Let's go.
I need a ticket.
You don't need a ticket. Let's go. Sir, you don't need a ticket.
Sir, I just
sir,
bought a
just
ticket.
listen. Please, sir, just listen.
I listen.
You're not listening.
I bought a ticket. I'm waiting for my printout for my ticket so I can leave tomorrow.
Under 49 U.S.C. paragraph 404902, airlines hold broad federal authority to deny service to disruptive passengers, no court order required. Alleged racial slurs towards staff constitute explicit grounds for refusal under the statute. The subject's denial is irrelevant on scene.
You can come back. You can probably come back when you're sober.
I'm sober now.
You come back when you calm down.
Have you articulated me being sober and being drunk? No. Where's the breathalyzer? Give me breathalyzer. Go.
Sure, come on, let's go.
All right, go.
I'll take you to that breathalyzer. Come on.
You go get it.
Come on. It's in the car.
You're the police. You go get it.
All right.
Give me your breathalyzer. Am I drunk? I'm trying to get my ticket and leave. That's it.
They don't have to issue it.
You are making an issue. I'm trying to get my ticket to leave. That's it.
Sir, it's real easy. They don't have to issue a ticket.
Well, it's real easy too.
They don't have to issue a ticket.
Give me my ticket and I can leave.
Are you military?
Yes, I am military.
Are you active?
Yes.
You active?
Yes, I am.
All right, so you're active military, sir.
And I'm telling you,
let's grab your phone.
Give me my ticket and I can leave.
Let's grab your phone, sir. Let's grab your phone. Let's grab your suitcase. And let's just go. We don't need to make a scene. We don't need to make a scene.
You want to make a scene?
No, I don't.
I will make a scene.
I don't want to make a scene.
Then stop. Give me my ticket so I can give me my ticket so I can leave. If you don't want to make a scene, give me my ticket.
He's not traveling at all on us anymore.
Sir,
tomorrow.
Just
go. Just go.
Ticket, I'll leave.
We don't have a ticket.
They can give you a receipt that they give you your money back. How about that?
Really?
And you can go on to another airline.
Profanity directed at officers is protected speech. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Officers must tolerate it. Physical provocation over 15 minutes is not protected. Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire. Conduct inciting breach of peace loses protection.
You do that all the time. You can go down to Delta, you can go down to Frontier, Spirit, United, and get yourself another ticket.
Well, my flight leaves in 12 hours, fellas, so I'll be here until I get my ticket, so I can leave tomorrow to go home.
American's not going to issue a ticket.
That's cool.
Okay, so that's fine.
I'll drive then, whatever.
Okay.
I'm sorry you guys have to come out.
All right.
So you gotta do this. I'm just trying to get my ticket and go home. That's all. And you guys are causing problems. She's causing problems. I'm just trying to get my ticket to go home. That's it. You both said I'm military. I'm trying to go home. That's it. That's all.
Okay.
I'm trying to go home.
What military are you with?
That's it. I'm trying to go home.
What military are you with, sir?
What?
I'm just asking what branch.
Army.
Okay.
I'm just trying to go home. Why are you letting me not go home? I'm just trying to get a ticket to go home. That's it, dude. That's it. That's it. I'm not trying to start any problems with her. She's being a yes, but I just want to go home. That's it. I'm trying to do. I'm trying to go home, man.
Okay, well, this airline will not take you, so you just gotta go to another different airline.
Why?
Why not?
Because she's being a... yeah, I mean, so I can't go home because she's got to do her bullshit, and the airline can't let me go home. So now I have to...
This airline can say no to you, and you can go to a different airline.
I'm not... I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm trying to go home. That's it.
Okay, well, I'm just telling you, any airline can deny another person.
Officers confirmed the subject was free to leave. Multiple times, voluntary continuation weakens any Fourth Amendment seizure claim.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm just trying to go home, man. I'm just trying to go home. I don't have any beef with you.
Okay, that's what we're saying.
Yeah,
is they're not going to issue it.
Yeah, I'm a smart ass.
They're not going to issue
you
you.
bullshit. Because, yeah, it is bullshit. And you know what goddamn well it's bullshit.
What's bullshit?
What she did is wrong. I'm just trying to go home, man.
Let's put
Stop being a arrogant.
Let's put it this way, really easily. You annoy someone and you have a problem with someone at McDonald's, they can refuse you service. Same thing here. They can refuse you service. They're refusing you service at this time. So if you want to go to another airline,
I gotta call my aunt buddy, and I gotta drive home now.
okay, if that's your choice.
No, I'm
Or
just
you're
saying,
good-
I'm just asking you.
Okay,
Because
how about this? Start thinking and listening to what I'm saying.
I'm trying.
Okay, you can go to another airline and get another ticket. It's not that hard.
I already bought it. I already paid for it.
They will give you, would you like a receipt that it's refunded to you? I could probably do that.
If they can refund it to me, yeah, that'd be awesome. That'd be great.
What's wrong?
Can you guys do me one favor and print out that his ticket is refunded?
Refunded? No.
Okay.
He won't even be able to fly. They're already calling corporate and all that type of stuff. But I was the one that originally checking him in. He missed his flight and he started cursing. He got the supervisor. Started making racial slurs. See? See? What's taking so long to arrest this guy though? Because it's too long of a conversation and he did disrespect everybody else.
Check
it in?
Oh, I'm sorry, but I can do it. It's first minute, right?
Go ahead, make a phone call.
I will.
Sure.
Tell me the legality of this shit. Please, please, tell me.
It's civil. They can deny you.
It's civil, right? You're not a judge. You're not anybody. Why can't I get on the plane?
Because you're disorderly and you're...
I'm disorderly. Because of her.
You lost your...
She's the one who did everything. No, I didn't do nothing wrong. I'm not... Oh,
Stop
for a minute. I'm sorry.
Sir, stop
Why
yelling.
can't I vocalize myself?
Cause or attempted cause a disturbance to citizens.
They're not letting me go on the plane because they said that I'm too vocal, and they said, oh, there's some law of me not getting on a plane. Bullshit. Yeah. My wife is a magistrate. You can go yourself.
Good.
Please.
Can we talk to her?
Please, yes.
Can we put her on, put her on speaker?
Magistrate,
Put her on the-
Magistrate Lewis, please talk to this officer. Go for it. Magistrate Lewis, please.
Sir, stop yelling in the phone, please.
It's my wife.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go yourself.
Can we have a civil
Don't tell me how. Don't tell me how.
Can we have a
Talk to
civil
her.
conversation with your wife?
Because you're bullshitting.
Where's she a magistrate at?
She's a magistrate.
Where?
Virginia.
What city in Virginia?
Chesterfield.
Chesterfield.
Richmond, Virginia. Chesterfield, Virginia.
That's
Go for it.
Hello, ma'am.
Go for it. Baby, go.
So, ma'am,
Baby, go. Tell him.
Sir, if you'd stop yelling so we can talk.
do you mind if I hold your
I
phone?
can't hear because it's loud.
Can we
So,
step over there?
yeah, go yourself.
Let's go step over.
No.
Come on.
No. Go yourself.
This is what's going on.
Yeah. Yo,
Your-
dude.
your-
No. Oh, yeah.
husband
I don't know if you're a cop or not. Please and thank you.
intoxicated.
Please and thank you.
Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force judged by offense severity, immediate threat, and resistance. The takedown falls within defensible range. Atwater v. Lago Vista, 2001. Misdemeanor committed in officer's presence justifies arrest. That threshold was met here.
Very,
Take it off. Let's go.
Take what off?
attendance
Everything.
at American Airlines, and they won't
You know damn well
process his.
Why? Because you're a dick. I'm trying to talk to you, and you're a dick. Dude, I just told you I'm military.
I can
Shut the f up. I just told you I'm military.
Do you know how to act in the military?
Yeah, I do.
Well, then
Shut
act
the
like a military person.
I am.
And when people are in charge of you, you be quiet.
Yeah, you're not in charge of me.
Huh?
You're a joke.
Why don't we call your supervisor?
Oh, really?
Yeah, let's call him.
Yeah. I'm a security contractor, asshole.
Oh, so you're not in the military?
No.
Nice.
No.
Nice lie.
Yeah, no.
Oh, so you just.
I'm retired. Oh, let's see.
Good. You're retired, so.
Let's see. Oh. Wait. Oh. Wait. Oh.
Great, you're retired. Oh boy.
Oh. You have one of those? No, you don't. Because you're a fat body.
Your wife wants to talk to you.
Piece of shit. You've done nothing. You've done nothing in life.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Off. Don't talk to me like you.
My
No.
face.
Oh, really? What? Am I touching you?
Sir.
No, do it. No. Am I touching
I'm
you?
gonna tell you to stand back.
No.
Stand back.
Am I touching him?
Stand back.
I'm not
sir.
touching him. All right, do
Stand
it.
back.
Do it.
We're trying to.
Do it.
Talk to your wife.
No, he's not trying to
Talk
accommodate
to your
me.
wife.
You're not trying to accommodate me. I bought a ticket.
Talk to your wife.
Yeah, I'm trying to go home. You won't let me go home.
Talk to your wife.
No. You let me go home. Let me go home.
You got anybody else open here?
I want to go home.
To assist?
All right, I'm looking at a ticket. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh. So I'm not getting a ticket today. Let's go. No. All right, come on. You want to talk? Let's talk. If I'm not getting a ticket, let's go. Come on, man.
Am I talking to you?
Yeah.
Talk to them.
Am I getting a ticket?
Talk to them.
I'm trying to go home.
Sir, I'm going to tell you.
What?
Get away from me.
No.
Stand away from
No,
me.
please, thank you. Please and thank you. Hit me so I can sue you. No, do it. I'm trying to go home,
Stand
but
away.
you, no. Oh, you just
Stand
touched
away.
me. Yeah. You touched me.
Stand away.
I'm trying to go home. I'm trying to go home.
Not gonna go home on this airline today.
Wait,
Dude,
is he under arrest?
are you detaining
Why
me?
don't we just let him go then?
Are you detaining me? Then stop blocking me. All right. Then off. If you seriously
You're
want
done
to-
yelling, right?
If
You want to
seriously
go?
want-
If you want to go, then start stepping.
Hey,
You
don't touch me.
want to go? Let's
Don't
go.
touch
You want to go? You can go.
No,
You want to go? You just said you want.
I
to
will show you exactly what I
You
do.
wanted to go.
Don't
to the
touch
hotel.
me. Hey, don't touch
Just
me.
said you wanted to go
Don't
to
touch
a
me.
hotel. Did you not?
Don't touch me.
Just said you wanted to go to a hotel. Did you not?
I did.
All right, then why don't you get
Did
your
I?
bag and
But
go?
yeah. Did I say touch me?
Did you just?
Did I say touch me?
You just
No.
touch my cat?
Yeah. Did I say touch me?
I was trying to be nice.
I
and
said
have you-
I was trying to go to the hotel. Did I tell you to touch me? No,
I
you
think I'm
didn't.
getting drunk now. Why don't you just get your bag and go to the
Dude,
hotel?
off. Don't touch me.
There's no reasoning with this guy.
You touched me.
Who cares
You
about?
blocked me.
Who cares about?
He
me?
assaulted me.
Who cares?
It's a lawsuit. All you guys are stupid. I'm a security contractor. All you guys are dumb.
Are you married?
You're stupid.
Are you married?
You're stupid. You're stupid. Yes.
Look,
She's a goddamn
If
magistrate.
your wife was here right now, how would she want you to act?
She would do this,
No,
do
she would
this,
not.
and do this. Yes,
If
she
your
would.
children in front
She's
of
a
you right
goddamn magistrate, and everything you did, you, and
now,
you.
that's all lies.
Really? Baby, please tell them all the civil rights violations. Say this violated.
There's no civil rights violations. We gave you an opportunity.
You touched me? You have a body
cares?
Yes, you have a body cam, right?
Who cares? How did
who
I touch
cares?
How did I touch you?
How about,
I guided you.
You doing this?
I guided you. No.
Yeah. No, it
guided
don't
you.
matter.
It
Did
does
I
matter.
ask for you to touch me?
Listen.
It's assault.
It's not.
Oh, really? Perception.
It's not.
Perception.
How about you knocking your hat off an officer's head?
Maybe I'll talk to you later. Hold on.
How about you knocking a hat off an officer's head?
Dude.
Is that not assault?
We need to go outside right now.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Come on.
You try to be nice around here.
No, I tried to get on the flight.
Okay. And
She
that
didn't let
work.
me.
Okay, that didn't work.
I did nothing wrong. And then now I have you and this fat.
Who cares? You're not going to get on
I
the plane.
care.
So let's go on out. We gave you an option to go to the hotel like you wanted to. What is so hard? Why can't you understand that? We're trying to find a solution to your answer here.
Dude.
You wanted to go to a hotel. You just said
Because
that.
you and him.
Allowing you to leave like you want to. And you're giving us a hard time.
No, you and him are.
How am I with you? I'm giving you an option like you wanted. Oh, don't touch him.
No, I'm gonna find out when my flight leaves tomorrow morning.
You can go earlier. It's no.
You don't. What you don't understand is you're not looking on the outside.
But I did nothing wrong though.
After you called the lady.
I said I didn't call her that.
You did.
I called her after that.
But after that was enough for them to say, hey, we're not going to allow him to fly on our airline.
My friend.
All right. All right. Well. He's an asshole. You've been cool.
Oh, so now I'm the asshole.
Yeah.
When I came up to you,
No. Touch me. No.
that was not a touch. And you knocked my hat off my head. Isn't that not an assault? Is that not an assault?
What's your wife calling you?
Go ahead and answer your phone.
Steve, take a
No.
step back.
Don't touch me. You want to go outside?
Here we go with the fucking hat again. That's
Grades. Officers. B. Sustained de-escalation, proportionate force, reduced for occasional tone escalation, and absent supervisor call. Sub D. Legitimate grievance, self-defeating conduct, physical provocation, not speech, was the proximate cause of arrest. Airline staff C+. Refusal legally sound under federal statute. Earlier communication may have prevented escalation.
Hands. Why you guys just really? I'm not doing anything.
Come, get the cuff over here.
I'm not doing anything.
Really?
I'm not doing anything. Tell me what you want to do.
Lay on your stomach. Lay on your stomach. On your stomach.
Someone put cuffs on. Don't yell.
All right, hang on.
Just touch me. Hold on your stomach. Okay? Now. All right. Wait. Now.
I think you wanted to go.
Tried to be nice.
Tried to reason with him.
I'm trying to go home.
You go home now.
Key takeaways. Verbal confrontation with staff triggers FARTI 42902 immediately. That refusal is not reviewable on the spot. Profanity is protected. Physical provocation is not. That line determines criminal liability. When free to leave, leave. Staying creates independent criminal exposure that the original dispute never warranted. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like discussed below. Thank you for watching.